You don't see this a lot in Mississippi. Snow on the ground. Our lights have flickered multiple times already. But we do have a fire going over there. And I have some double batch of biscuits in the oven in case we do lose power. We have some things to eat. I've got bread on. Hopefully the power will stay on long enough for me to get that done. I am looking to slice up some bacon, some of our bacon, and get that thrown on the griddle, which is hot, so y'all be careful, girls. But very unique morning here in Mississippi when you see snow on the ground. It's very pretty, but it's also very cold, which I know most of you guys are experiencing unusually low temperatures, but it is very cold here in Mississippi. Oh, there went the power again. Keeps going on and off. So, guys, we might be sleeping by the fire tonight, roasting sausages in the fire, eating biscuits. What do you think, Aiden?
I'm getting me a marshmallow stick. Take these to the iron too, put some sausage on there.
We'll have sausage and biscuits tonight for supper. Yep, well, very unusual time for us, but we're just going to try to make the best of it. We're trying to prep some now because we keep getting warnings with our lights going on and off. So, here we go.
All right, as Miss Mac said, it is quite wintry out here. We bought these big monster winter wear. I don't know, we went somewhere to the mountains and bought this stuff. I'm thinking we'll never use it now. Actually, we're using it today. It's right now it is about 20 out. It's supposed to get down to the teens at lunch. We had a little break in the weather so I can come out here and check on all the animals, but it's supposed to get to 8 this afternoon and this evening. Well, we're not used to that weather. We don't have that kind of weather. I mean, you can see where I'm standing. I mean, it's thick, but see, the bad thing is it's not actual snow. It's just pure ice. I mean, it's got some snow on it, but more of this is just pure ice. So we're gonna do, because we filled up everything yesterday, all the waters, we kind of overdid, and then we overfed yesterday. We are gonna maintain, we are gonna feed the chickens and turkeys and stuff like that, but like the cows, the sheep and all that, it's gonna be more just checking on all the babies and checking on all the mamas. First to check on is the cows. Look at her coat. She's got like icicles on her. She hasn't had a baby yet. Hey girl, I got you some feed, come on. Their barn had a good hay in it, but they have already got it muddy again because they've been going in and out. So I'm gonna put a little bit more hay in their barn. didn't stop for us, did it?
School did not stop. We are actually double checking because Friday I didn't get to get in there and check our work Friday. They did their work, but I didn't get to check it. I don't trust them. So I check everything. And
now for people who didn't watch your video on rolling your dough, might be wise to go back and check that one out, huh?
yes, this makes lovely sandwich bread. And it has been the absolute best I found. I thought I found the best, but then I found this one and it was better than the best.
Yeah. Not only that, it's really not as much just the bread taste we're talking about. We're talking about the cutting ability.
Yes. Yes, the pudding. So we're getting it done, getting it done.
Well, at least the chores are done outside for the next snow.
Yeah, well, they're begging to go out. I'm not. And I think me and baby Livy, we're going to park it inside today.
You ready? He gonna go with me. Hold on. Let mommy take some pictures. Are you having fun?
He like slipped so far and he's like so fun.
And how are you? Are you holding up?
Hey, I'm good now. I was not good a while ago before I had clothes on.
Hey, my shorts a while ago were freezing. All right, let's push you down.
Redneck snow skiing. I'm sledding.
Oh, hit the tree! Mama's finna hit the ground. JJ! I can't get Jenny.
I want to show y'all our redneck snowboard and redneck snow. Do y'all see that right there?
See, it's more crystallized because it's so humid. It's so humid here. It's just water.
So this is our redneck snowboard and this is our redneck snow. But we have fun.
Stand up, surf there.